The HUD combiner has three positions: stowed, down, and breakaway. The combiner is usually deployed to the down position during pre-flight. To deploy the combiner, push the locking lever and move the combiner down until it is at the mechanical stop. The down position does not have a latch. When the combiner is deployed, the display comes on automatically. A detector makes sure that the HUD is correctly aligned for use. If the combiner is not in the correct position, an Align HUD message is shown. Push the combiner until the message is removed. If the message stays on the combiner, do not use the HUD. When the airplane decelerates quickly, the combiner moves nearer to the windshield and away from your head. If the deceleration continues, the combiner goes to the breakaway position and latches. The combiner cannot spring back at your head. To release the combiner from the breakaway position, first push it forward. This removes the pressure on the latch. Then push the locking lever and move the combiner to the down or the stowed position. To stow the combiner, move it up to the overhead panel until the latch engages in the lock position. Now stow the combiner. When the combiner is stowed or in the breakaway position, the HUD system de-energizes automatically. The HUD brightness controls have a manual and an automatic mode of operation. The control is usually pushed in for automatic mode operation. If you pull out the control, it is in manual mode. In manual or automatic mode, the display brightness changes when you turn the control clockwise or counterclockwise. In the automatic mode, brightness is set in relation to the amount of light around the HUD. The system automatically keeps the display contrast the same. Now select manual mode. In manual mode, the brightness does not change until you turn the control. The HUD shows data in two different symbology modes, full and decluttered. The full symbology mode shows almost the same data as the PFD. It includes the full airspeed and altitude indications. The decluttered symbology mode removes the airspeed and altitude tapes. It shows only the selected and current airspeed and altitude values. You push the symbology control switch to change between modes. Change to the decluttered symbology mode. If the symbology control switch is pushed again, the full symbology mode is shown.